Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. Brr, it's starting to get chilly around here. You know what that means? Time for some hot and hearty winter soup. Float these light as air Jewish-style dumplings in your next pot of chicken soup and learn the meaning of true comfort. I've been wanting to make matzo ball soup, and I figure out that is perfect in Lake Tahoe in a cold, crisp weather.
Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. Today we are making a matzo ball soup. Have you heard about it? If not, I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious soup. Matzo balls are delicious and take just a few minutes to make. This delicious traditional Jewish matzo ball soup recipe is perfect for this cold weather. So what are you waiting for? Let's make this delicious matzo ball soup. Woo!
Let's begin with 1/3 cup of matzo meal. Then add 2 eggs. Followed by 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then mix well together. Cover.
Alright, since I don't have any refrigerator, it's supposed to be refrigerated for 15 minutes, but I don't have the refrigerator here, so we need to think about, alright, let's just dig and bury it for 15 minutes.
In the nature, most of the time, all you need is a bit of creativity to get through it. Being resourceful, it's not bad. Moving on, let's prepare the vegetables.
We're gonna cut some carrots, celery, what else? Celery, onions, and lemongrass. That's not a lemongrass. Lemongrass. So today, since I am celebrating my birthday weekend in Lake Tahoe, Angela S. Mack is joining me.
Welcome everyone to join my journey. If you haven't seen me before, make sure you guys check out my channel, Angela S. Mack.
Angela S. Mack. Yeah, so she's joining me here in Lake Tahoe, which is perfect because she is filming her Lake Tahoe experience. Alright, next we're just gonna have some celery. This is really easy ingredients and it's perfect for this cold weather.
Have you ever guys thinking about making soup in the ice?
In the snow.
In the snow. It's gonna be amazing, right?
And thank you for joining me here. I know setting up is kind of like struggle, yet it's gonna be so good and memorable. And that's all. So can I have the lemongrass, please? Sure. Usually matzo balls recipe, they don't use any lemongrass, but I tried this before and it's really good. It brings more flavor. And usually it's just, you know, celery, carrots, and what else? Onions. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do whatever like in Asia do, like just wrap it.
Mainly it's just to get the smell and the flavors.
Yeah, to make the soup really good. This matzo balls recipe, people add some chicken, but this time, since we've been eating a lot of chicken since yesterday, I want this recipe to be a simple. There you go. Just cut into small pieces, bite pieces. How do you like Lake Tahoe?
Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, I'm glad that you arranged this party, so we are at had a really good time with this amazing view. You guys, if you can make it, make sure you guys come check it out. You won't regret it. It's so beautiful. Plus, yesterday it was snowing. It's so beautiful. Yeah, maybe we're gonna add some for you in the end of the video.
Yeah. We use different kinds of carrots like yellow, purple, and orange, but you can use any kind of carrots. I just got lucky to find these colorful fall carrots. And celery, it's really good in the soup. And of course, onions. Oh, I smell my hand. Can I hold your face?
No, I am freezing cold right now.
Alright, and lastly, my secret ingredient is lemongrass. Alright, let's cook!
In a medium heat temperature, let's add 3 cups of chicken broth. Then, let's add the vegetables, celery, carrots, onions, and lemongrass. Bring it to boil for about 2 to 5 minutes.
After 15 minutes, let's check the matzo balls. Let's see. Big. Whoa, it's freezing. Oops. Alright, let's open. And this is how you make it. Just make a circle. Fold. So good. Round and round. There you go. There you go. Voila! We made 5 matzo balls. Matzo balls. Let me wash my hands. I don't have water, so I need to wash my hands. Ooh, it's really cold. Ooh, that was crazy.
Carefully place matzo balls in a boiling chicken broth soup. Simmer until they float to the top and completely cook inside.
So we can cook it for 3 to 5 minutes.
I added salt and pepper to taste and garnish with cilantro. It's officially called season, people, and we need to arm ourselves. The perfect weapon? This insanely good matzo ball soup.
Alright, let's try it. Have you tried this before?
No, this is the first time for me to have this
really delicious.
mashable soup. What's it called? Mashable?
Matzo balls.
Matzo soup.
It's
But
really good.
I could tell it's delicious. Let's try.
What do you think?
That is really good. I love it.
It's super
Wow.
easy and simple, yet so delicious.
It's very easy to make, guys. Yeah.
So good.
This is perfect for the cold weather, guys. It's really good.
For the cold weather! Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this
Snow
soup!
Soup!
Travel changes you. As you move through this life and this world, you change things slightly. You leave marks behind, however small. And in return, life and travel leaves marks on you. This delicious traditional Jewish matzo.
Yesterday it was snow.
Snowing.
Yeah, it was snow. So yeah, it was snowing. It's so
So we can cook it for 3 to 5 minutes until the balls are gonna floating. Balls.
yummy soup. Yummy soup. Yummy soup. Really good. Make sure you guys check it out.
Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time!